Speaking at the opening workshop on developments in the defense industry after July 15, President of Defense Industry Professor Dr. İsmail Demir made statements about the TRLG 230 laser-guided artillery missiles developed by ROKETSAN. In his speech, İsmail Demir said, "Our high-precision TRLG missile with laser marking with a range of 150 kilometers and various missiles at longer ranges, our ATMACA, YILDIRIM, BORA and KASIRGA missiles are ready for service," he said. It is considered that the 150 km range missile in question is TRLG 230 with a diameter of 230 mm. The range information for TRLG 230 laser-guided artillery missiles was previously announced by ROKETSAN as 70 km. İsmail Demir announced in an interview with CNN Türk in March 2022 that the range of the L-UMTAS laser-guided anti-tank missile was also extended from 8 km to 16 km in addition to the TRLG 230. Work started in May 2020 to provide laser seeker guidance capability to the TRLG 230 missile, which has proven itself with its firing test activities in the past. Demonstrating a dynamic and effective work example during the pandemic process, ROKETSAN completed its design activities in a short time and prototype production was carried out in June. After the system-level tests were completed, the TRLG 230 missile was included in the July 2020 firing campaign to carry out fire test activities at the Sinop Test Center. As a result of the first shot made on July 2, 2020, the TRLG 230 missile successfully completed its first mission by hitting the target off the Black Sea. On July 4, 2020, under more challenging conditions, it successfully hit its target for the second time and earned the right to take its place in the ROKETSAN product family in terms of operational and performance. In the shooting campaign carried out in July 2020, the laser-marked target of Bayraktar TB2 produced by Baykar was successfully hit by the laser-guided 230 mm missile system, TRLG 230. The laser-guided 230 mm missile system, TRLG 230, will be able to hit targets marked by UAVs and SIHA from the ground. Precision artillery support for troops on the field is critical in today's battlefield. Guided artillery systems, which are seen as cost-effective solutions against the negative effects of the dispersion of unguided artillery systems, high CEP value problems, especially in shootings against opportunity targets in the field, stand out as weapon systems that many armies are interested in. Laser-guided howitzer ammunition, which has become widespread in the world, is seen as effective players against such problems. However, cost-effective guided missiles developed over artillery rockets have the potential to be an effective alternative to these problems. There is also the TRG-122 system developed by ROKETSAN against such a need. In addition, various domestic projects continue to improve the distribution of howitzer ammunition.